Hi guys, my name is Fefe, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to buy and deposit crypto onto BingX. Let's get started. First, log into your BingX account. Now you have two options to buy and deposit crypto. First, I'll show you the buy crypto option. Once you click on this button, this panel will pop up. Up here, you can choose the fiat currency that you want to deposit. We'll use $100 as an example. Down here, you can select the cryptocurrency that you would like to receive, and we're using USDT as an example. Once you're ready, you can just click Buy. The Buy Crypto option on BingX is a peer-to-peer solution, which means you will have the option to pick the merchant you want to purchase your crypto from. On this table, you will see all the merchants listed and the estimated amounts that you would receive from them. Pick one that you're confident with and click Buy. On this page, you will receive all the information you need from the merchant to complete the transfer on the right side in this chat window. And once that's done and you're aligned and followed all the instructions, you can click on Paid and proceed. And now I will show you option number 2, which is the bank deposit. You can click on this button here and navigate to bank deposit. Once you land on this page, you can choose which crypto you want to buy, for what amount, and with what fiat currency. When you scroll down here, you will see you have two options: buy crypto with credit or debit card, or make a bank transfer. You can just select either of these options and complete your payment. You can use the third option if you already have crypto and you would like to deposit it. You can click on the wallet icon on the top right corner and click on deposit. Then you can select the crypto you want to deposit and the network you want to use for your deposit. Generate an address. Once you generated your address, you can use it to deposit your crypto. Remember, always use the right crypto and the right network. And that's it. We're done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you in class.